Hi, I will create an easy snow or maybe blizzard from a single photo in After Effects. Choose whatever photo or maybe footage you want and then right click, new, and then add solid black. Now go to the effect and search for CC snowfall and apply it to the solid black. Now I will make an adjustment so it will create a slow snowfall. You can also copy paste all my adjustment, or maybe you can customize your own. And this is how it turns out, slow and easy. But what about the blizzard? And here's my formula for the blizzard effect. Doesn't make so much difference between the previous one. So which one is your choice? The slow snowfall or blizzard? Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so